Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take a closer look at the beauty products you want to know about. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to be a game changer for eyeshadow lovers, the LORAC Pro Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. With a collection that features both matte and shimmer shades, it's designed to give you versatile looks from day to night. The LORAC Pro Eyeshadow Palette combines high pigmentation with a sleek, portable design. It's infused with soothing botanicals, making it not just a tool for beauty, but a care-infused option for your eyes. The eyeshadows are formulated to work wet or dry, offering plenty of flexibility for different makeup looks. Let's break down how this palette stacks up in real-life usage and see if it delivers on its promises. When I first started using this palette, I was curious to see how well the shades would apply, especially the shimmer ones. I used both a dry brush and a wet brush for comparison. When applied dry, the matte shades gave rich, smooth color payoff that blended easily. The shimmer shades really came alive when wet, giving that foil-like finish that you see in professional makeup tutorials. It's that extra touch of drama without being over the top. One thing I noticed is the palette's buttery texture. It's smooth without feeling chalky, which is important, especially when you're layering colors. The pigment doesn't fade throughout the day, even without an eyeshadow primer underneath, which speaks to its quality. The compact size is also a huge plus. It's perfect for travel or on-the-go touch-ups, especially with the included mirror. On the flip side, there are a couple of points to note. While the palette is incredibly versatile, the shades might not be enough for those looking for an extensive range. If you're someone who loves a broader variety of colors, you might find the options here a little limiting. However, for those who love neutrals and a bit of shimmer, this palette really delivers. Let's talk about the value for money here. LORAC is a premium brand, so the price reflects that. But considering the high pigment, long-lasting wear, and multi-use options, wet or dry, I do think it justifies the price point. If you're willing to invest in a versatile palette that can handle both matte and shimmer looks without needing to layer too many products, this is worth the splurge. If you're someone who isn't looking to spend quite as much, there are some other options out there, such as Maybelline's Nudes palette or the ColourPop Super Shock Shadows, which offer good alternatives at a lower price. These options may not have the same botanical infused formula, but they're a solid choice for more budget-conscious shoppers. I'll also mention the build quality here. This is a compact palette, so it's not as bulky as some of the larger ones on the market. The packaging is sturdy, and the mirror is functional, making this a good option if you need a quick touch-up during the day. It's clear that LORAC has paid attention to the details, which adds to the overall experience. The LORAC Pro Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette is ideal for anyone looking for a premium, high-pigment product that offers great flexibility for different looks. Whether you prefer a subtle daytime look or a more dramatic evening style, this palette covers both bases. The versatility of wet or dry application and the soothing botanicals are a nice touch that sets it apart from other palettes on the market. If you're considering purchasing this palette, I think you'll find it meets its claims of delivering rich, blendable color. For anyone who loves high-quality eyeshadow that feels luxurious yet practical, this palette is definitely worth checking out. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.